Guys, my meat pie is ready, so let's pack. You know,
in galera. Ok, a posto.
grazie.
Guarda, questa è roba tua.
So guys, let me rest more.
In galera. Ok, a posto.
Grazie.
Guarda, questa è roba tua.
Grazie. Guys, this is the second day. So this is my scheda. So guys, tomorrow I'll be making fisherman okra soup for our young footballer. So over here I have my chicken. I'll be using chicken and the fresh fish, you know, catfish. And here I have my, can you see it? Why the price is showing? Can you see? Which one is what? But I want to. I'm not going to you should not what I clear like anyway.
I like it taruga.
Then I have my gamberetti. So remain spinach, fresh spinach. Like vegetable okra, fisherman soup. No shy. He wants only okra, but I'll add this fresh spinach, you know. So guys, then I'll be making a few meat pie and the puff so that his friends is going to test it. Then if they like it, they will continue booking. So that's it. So let me go on now and wash my meat and my fish. Period. Na salute. Say hello.
Hello.
Please subscribe. Say subscribe.
Right.
Okay. We love you guys.
Sorry.
I'm done. I made soup and then yam for him, you know. For our young cacciatore. Can you see? Fisherman okra soup. So, I still don't get the answer. Can you see? Now you can come. Fisherman okra soup. Okay. Okay. When it gets cold, then I have to tie it. Let me leave it. Then I will use this and wrap it. If you see me here, you know, I will not take him. You know, he's the cacciatore, so I will not take video. Maybe I will snap picture with you. So that is it. So I'm done. Why are you trying to see the cacciatore in your pen affair? Can you see? Clack it. So guys, I'm here in Goloza to book my birthday cake. You know. So honey say I should go and book my birthday cake. So guys, can you see what NJ is eating? Egg, white rice, and mayonnaise. Tonno, tutto miscolato e mangia. Non so come si chiama. Come si chiama? Quello che mangiano come integrale. Clack it. So guys, here I'm preparing a pasta with ragu, no meat for Indian and Chileman de Chinedu. Mommy and Joe whatever you need. Hello people, yes. Yes, you can come. So guys, I'm just coming back from work. Then I went to market to buy some few things. So I bought this for baby Alex. Caramella the truth she did. No. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. You know, just let me give you guys updates. Hey, mama, let's give our fans. Make them pokwa. Just finish everything. You come and pokwa. Okay? From the voice of your mama, okay? No, I'm not going to finish everything at a time. Don't finish everything, no. It's not the same thing. I also bought this tissue paper. It's for children. 89 cents. You know? I already opened it. It's so nice. Okay. So I bought yesterday I made 11 pieces of egg roll, so I also have 4 eggs in the fridge, so that's why I bought this. And I bought these 2 macinato, very costly, because on Monday I'm going to Macheria where I'm buying my macinato for my meat pie. If I go there, I'll buy in quantity, because now I have a new contract. But I'll be making from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be making meat pie for this new contract, so I have to chata the macinato. Go to a room there, because it's in your way, because it's in my freezer. So I had any means, you know. I bought all that things. My flour, the pasta, and the chicken. I love it. So that is it. And here I have my filling for my meat pie. so I will go on. I also want to make a jollof rice. Here I have my turkey. I want to make quick jollof rice for my children when they will back from school. So that is it. So guys, I'm done cooking my jollof rice. So let's share. So this is chili mushroom. So when Angel and Chili with their back, I will share their good food. Eating jollof rice. No. What are you going to eat? Eat a for me. So guys, so I will now start making my meat pie. I will done with my meat, my filling, you know. So here I have my dough. So I will start baking now. Should remember see the food. So I will start baking. Thanks for watching till now. Like it. So guys, this is the second batch. So the first batch is in. Oh guys, my meat pie is ready. So let's pack. You know, I still have 11 pieces in the oven. This one over here is for today. So tomorrow morning I will bake again. Can you see?